videos, and in this video we are going to discuss about the parameters of a unit cubic crystal. So here we are having a typical diagram of unit crystal, that is a cube, and here the cube is demonstrated in 3 dimensions: x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. So it contains 3 axes. So 3-dimensionally the cube will fit like this, and here in this cube we are having the side. The side is measured to be A, that is length, and this is height. This we consider as length, and this is height, and this is breadth of the breadth. So since it is a cube, the length, breadth and height all are similar. L is equal to B is equal to H, that can be mentioned as A. So the side of a cube is equal in length. So all the sides of a cube is equal in length, so it is considered to be A. The next parameter, we are having the angle between the faces. So x and y axis will have a right angle, and x and z axis will also have a right angle, and y and z axis will also have a right angle. So all the 3 angles in this cube is considered to be right angle. So the parameters of cube will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 8 corners, 2 faces. When it is connected, this is considered to be the edge. So how many edges are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, the back side 4, and each faces will have 4 edges. So total we are having 12 edges. And what about the faces? We are having the face number 1, which is in the front side, number 2, number 3, which is at the back side, number 4, which is at the bottom, and number 5, which is at your right, and number 6, which is at your left. So we are having 4 faces. So we are having 8 corners, 12 edges and 4 faces. With respect to this, the lattice point which is present at the corners or edges or faces, the typical cube can be specified as a simple cube or a body center cube or a face center cube. While considering the body center is only one, which is the center of gravity or CG of the body, mostly body center. Okay, so here this angle will measure as alpha, beta, and this as gamma. So A is nothing but length, breadth and height, and alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma. So these are basic parameters, and more next to that we are having 8 corners, 12 edges, 4 faces and 1 body center. By using this, we will elaborate the different cubes which is present